Let's look at how to split responses into different scenarios. We'll start by creating a few buttons for responses. First, locate the Show button node. Then create and name each button by clicking the +add button. Notice we have a blue connector this time. These output connectors will link to the branch start node. For each different scenario, we'll need one of these nodes. In this case, we need two. One for the house to be blown away, and one for the house to remain standing. Let's preview our branching. Straw and stick houses will be blown away. The brick house will let us develop the story further. We can let the user decide how the story progresses by providing a free response input. Next, introduce the scenario branch node. Select an AI model from the list. Create and describe each scenario by clicking +add scenario. To concatenate the response for AI analysis, use the text join node to join any conditions or responses with the AI prompt. Link the output connector of our text join node to the input connector of this node. Finally, we can display the results. We can also display the reason. This will output the rationale, helping us understand the reasoning and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.